Are your email campaigns underperforming? Let's turn that around. Today, I'll show you how to track and analyze your email campaign performance in GoHighLevel. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account. Click on the Marketing tab. From here, select Email tab and then click on Campaign. Here, you'll find an overview of your campaigns. To dive deeper, click on a Statistics tab. You'll see essential metrics like delivered rates, open rates, and click-through rates. These numbers tell you how well your emails resonate with your audience. If your open rates are low, consider testing different subject lines. For low click-through rates, try adjusting your call to action. After analyzing, make necessary adjustments and test again. Remember, continuous improvement is vital. Ready to enhance your marketing strategy? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and unlock powerful tools for lead management. Plus, be sure to schedule your kickoff call to ensure you get the most out of your experience. Check the video description for all the links. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.